Hello YouTube, this is Anna Kim from unboxingjerseys.com. Today there are two new arrival shoes from the factory, so I make this review for you guys. Hope you can know more information about our shoes. One is the Lebron EXTQS, size is 7. On this, you can see this shoebox, the label, and one is from Lebron X. The shoes and size is 9.5. Okay. The Nike logo. Okay. The same packing. And we can see the inside. See this one first. The Lebron X EXTQS shoes, size is 7. We see this first. Okay. And we see this also. See this pair also. The Lebron X, size 9.5. Okay, you see this nice packing. Okay, this one Lebron X, size 9.5. This black one, and inside the Nike logo and size information. Okay, you can see this leather, very good quality, and see this special shoelace. Nike logo, and see the button, very nice quality. Okay, this color, do you like? Okay, you can see this logo on this left side of the shoes. Very good and very cool, right? Okay guys, you can see here is also Nike logo. Okay, this is the Lebron X, the size of 9.5 shoes review. And we can see this one, the Lebron X EXTQS, size is 7. Let's see this review together. Red bottom, red color. button. Very good quality. You guys can just see this quality with your eyes. Okay, and this shoelace leather, this also leather. Okay, inside the size information and Nike logo. Okay, some paper inside for the keep the shoes shape. This new arrival sneaker you guys can see, and I will update on my website, so you can check more information on my website unboxingjerseys.com. And if you want to buy this sneaker, welcome you guys. And if you buy 3 pairs, we will give you free shipping. And also, in your next order, and if you make a review for us on YouTube channel, we will give you the discount in your next order. But you need to pay with Western Union if you buy 3 pairs with Western Union, so we will give you free shipping. Okay guys, this is the Lebron shoes review. For more information, just go to my website unboxingjerseys.com to choose it. And please subscribe my channel and also give me the comments. Thank you friends, and have a nice day.